Whoops. Maybe. I'm a tad bit late. I'm a tad bit late. Oopsie. But I am here. I'm trying to see something. Okay, there we go. Done. Dunsies. Dunsies? Dunsies. We're going with Dunsies today, apparently. Okay. That goes here. That goes a little bit more over there. Hey Rip, what's up? How's it going? Posted the news in Discord. I'll go check. When did you post it? Like now? Because I looked just now. I didn't see anything from you. Let me go and check. Solly, my man, how is it going? Okay, Rip, let me go and have a look-see. I'm on it, I'm on it, I'm on it. How was everyone's Thanksgiving? Get an Apex 100k in full ported. Oh, I can't. I can't because it doesn't support South Africans. Unfortunately. What a bummer. Oh, what a pity. Because that sounds like fun. Madeira? Right? You know, a little bit rude, but I guess, you know, you can't force people to do things. Done. I have one last thing to do. Sorry. No, two things to do. I gotta get this up, and then I gotta go double check what the Lucky Duck has sent. The broker, you know, markets are closed. Well, I mean, theoretically, they're not closed yet, but they technically closed. Yes, I do know. It is holiday, and it's probably going to be slow, and the likelihood of me actually trading is not that high, but, I just had a thought. Maybe, well, let's see what Lucky Duck sent before I get too excited. CME holds futures trading after... Okay, so then I guess, do you know what? There is another option, which is just backtesting the hell out of this, right? Let's go do backtesting, learning. I'm gonna go check out Rip's Tuesdays. There's a bunch of things I can do, so don't worry. Hey Theo, what's up? Post stream, Sally? You know what? It's not the worst idea. Should I just go to the stables and let's just go and chill with the ponies? I thought it was funny. I was looking at the times going, this doesn't look right. What the heck? Ugh. Well, Rip, I guess that's one way that I can't be a silly goose today. Damn it. Hey David, what's up? How's it going? Happy Thanksgiving to those that are celebrating. I hope it's amazing. You wanna hop on stream? I have offered it to Solly a few times and Solly always says no. I would offer it to Rip, but I think Lucky Duck really likes his privacy. He's a shy Lucky Duck. Aren't you? Yep. It's closed. I see that all futures has been halted. Thanks, Rip, for that. CME holds futures trading after cooling issue. Oh well. And I was ready and prepared. Well, you know, as ready and prepared as I normally am, which is me. Newt. Go on then. Sell. I mean, there's not much I can do. Tyler Lackford, hi. Hey, Hog, what's up? Hey, please, what's up? Futures are just, they're halted. Yep, I know. So, well, the broker, damn. You go tell him. Hug, Clasher, what? You had a nap, that's weird for you, David. Are you good? Looks like another day off, right? Tyson, are you trading futures, by the way? I don't think I've ever actually asked. Do you trade futures? I realized I'm like struggling to read because I'm an old woman, so put these bad boys back on. Oh well. Hey, Hug Clashes, what's up? Envy, there's just no trading today. I'm a little bit disappointed. You guys want to see the giraffe I drew? Thanks to Geordie. Geordie made me draw a giraffe. It was on the 15-minute, hey. Come. Wakey. Look at my giraffe. Okay, I guess backtesting is not a bad idea, right? Why not? Can always go do some backtesting. Learning, it's never a missed opportunity. We can always continue. Right, Envy, it's fine. I mean, it's better than nothing, David. Better than nothing. Yes, ESNQYM and gold. Oh my goodness. Yeah, see, Tyson, so you're also, I guess, doing nothing now. Right? How disappointing. Looks more like a camel. Aw. I mean, camels don't have such long necks though, David. Sorry, this is the most random conversation. I am actually butthurt right now, but it's fine. Ah, okay, enjoy, Theo. The giraffe formation is very bullish. Exactly. Backtest, London through. With the confluence you use, opening price, closing price. Okay. I'm on it. Let's do this. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Let's go find us some, ooh, non-giraffe looking things. Cam. Just because you're having a moment. Okay, let me block off everything. I'm gonna go to a random day. Well. No. Okay. Let's have a look at a random day, shall we? Back to some AMD. Ooh. Enjoying some coffee, then hitting the gym. Tyson, that's not a bad idea. Oh well. How's the trading week been treating me? Ellipses, let's actually check. I think it's a bit of a break-even week. I don't want to lie. I'm pretty sure it's like a bit of a break-even week. I mean, yesterday, I don't know if you saw, but yesterday, during the New York session, I got $1. It was awesome. Yeah, I did, Rip. I changed the time. Finally, because everyone was yelling at me. But I wonder, do you think New York Open will have any movement before it closes at 12, and will I trade it? Well, let's see if I'm even able to trade. Is it closed the whole day? Do we think New York might open? What do we think's gonna happen? Or is futures just closed for today and it just is what it is? Ellipses? Right. Only true trader? I traded yesterday. One contract. But still, I put a little itty bitty trade in against Rip's, yeah, Rip wanted to kill me, but it's fine. Even my broker is down. Hey Laura, what's up? Yeah, we can't trade today, and that's fine, I guess. Am I a bit grumpy? Yes, but it is what it is. Oh, thanks, Ellipses. Thank you. I actually forgot I had this, and then I was going through my cupboard and I was like, oh, and it is so hot today. Like, go out into the sun and start burning type of hot. And I was like, you know what, I don't think I want to be dealing with this today. New York close at 12 for Black Friday. Yeah, so... Light Soldier? I'm gonna call you Soldier, if that's okay. So, Soldier, futures are on a halt, so I can't even trade London or anything right now. Everything's been halted. But I have gold with futures. I don't have gold, whatchamacallit, my blobby thingy, my booby. I've lost the capability to English. Let's check. Yeah, nope. Can't do it. Oh well. Oh flip, is this gonna take me back to... I didn't go to a random day. Whoopsie. Oh, nice, Laura. Okay. Soldier is their reason. It's CME. Right, only true trader. Hey, Jordan. What strategy do I use? I use a mix, if you will. No, not a mix. I have my own little GAN strategy, and I use ICT and SMC confluences. Okay, let me go to my random day. Nope. I moved things, sorry. Ta-da! Magic. Okay. Random day, random day. I'm just gonna keep scrolling. Random. Problem is I'm seeing what's gonna happen. But I guess it is what it is. Okay. I don't think it does. Cooling issue. What does cooling issue even mean, Rip? Not true. Well, yeah. New futures open in 5 hours and 15 minutes. But are we going to be able to trade it, Tyler? Seeming as CME is having a cool off. Again, I don't know what that means, but... Hey, Mudcrab, what's up? How's it going? Happy tomorrow, Eve. They party Thanksgiving too hard. The server broke. I love that. That's pretty good. I love that. Hey, Freddy. Servers got too hot, but like, why? If that makes sense. Surely not a lot of people were even trading yesterday, so I guess it actually doesn't matter. It does not matter. Want to check something? Thanks, Budcrab. Source I'm trading. Yes, it will be tradable. Ah, thank you. Marks have been closed now for around 6 hours. I don't think they'll open for a while until maybe New York AM session. Okay, so then I guess we're gonna have to come back for the New York session and see what happens. I stay on? Yeah, I might as well stay on. I was gonna say maybe I could just then hop off and just hop on Discord and carry on Discord. But I mean, I'm here anyways. We might as well have some fun. Can you please tell your strategy step by step? I can. Only at this time the New York is operating, but it's closed for Thanksgiving. Mad crap, you know what? I can't complain. Like I said, it's hot as hell here today. Like, hot as hell. To give you guys an example of how hot it is. So, I had a shower this morning. Normally my hair takes forever to dry. It's dry. I have thick hair. It takes forever. It dried within like an hour or 2 hours, which is pretty quick. MKX, I don't know any Hindi, I apologize. My opinion on the AI bubble, I don't really have one. I've heard mixed reviews about it, to be fair, but I don't really have one. Thanks, David. Oh, look at that, guys. I'm in the green. You're a chump. Thanksgiving is American holiday. My families gather to eat turkey, drink alcohol, and fight over nothing. So it's like, it's Christmas. It's early Christmas. That's what I get from that. It's early Christmas. Am I ready for my Christmas? No. Because again, family, and. David's on a mission to make sure that it is indeed a green day today. And I love it. Thanks for the support. Shout out. Shout out to David. Dangerous to trade. Dumping. That's a... Moving on. Mud crab. It's not here in Australia right now too. The start of summer in a week or so, and it's been man hot for the past month. I'm not looking for... No, mud crab, I agree. If it's this hot now, I'm terrified. I'm terrified of what like summer is going to be like, because that's not going to be okay. Nothing about that is going to be okay. As it is, I actually have a photo of my horse just standing in the middle of the day just sweating because it was that hot, and obviously it's humid down here as well, so the heat and humidity, and it makes me feel so unfit. I'm walking my dog going dying for no reason. It's a warm-up for Christmas. Let's get the ball rolling. I love it. Hey, Silver Bullet Trader, what's up? How's it going? Love Nix, what's up? How's it going? How's everyone? You're in South Africa, right? Yeah, not over these parts. Yes, I'm in South Africa. KZN if we want to be like specific, but yeah, in South Africa. Great back testing session, love it. Okay, I get it. My bad. I apologize. Got scolded. I am sorry. Rip. Damn. I'm checking something. Okay. So let's see. London open at 3 a.m. Sorry, I have to get used to the new times. So London open 3 a.m. It's a doji. Oh my great Gideon. Okay. Why did I mark this out? See, now I'm having to try and remember why. No, wait. Yeah, not wrong. Great, what is the trade plan? Well, I cannot trade today, so we... Rachel, no, it's not. It's not open. Huh? Do at least one rep. I know market for futures is shut down. Yep, I'm aware. I'm just back testing then. That just snapped up. Am I making money? Well, damn, there's a lot of messages coming through. Thanks, guys. I need to focus for a minute, or else Ripper's going to yell at me properly. This is clearly invalid now. So, anyways, market open was at 3 AM. But then, well, this is just a rubbish day, isn't it? See, I had a... Oh, this was a solid loss. No? Yes, it was a loss. How disappointing. Maybe get FX replay, free trial, and backtest on these. FX replay? Let me have a look. Okay. Let's see, FX replay. And I don't have to do that. I mean, I do have... No. Yeah, look. Hey Paz, do I believe in trend lines? Oh, oh, that is the question. Normally I didn't really look at them, but they've been working out the past 2 days. But I'm not calling them trend lines. I'm going to call them liquidity, the liquidity line. Whilst Geordie's gonna disown me. And the time frame is 1 minute. Hi, live. I did. Well, I even said hi to you in Discord. I sent a little coffee. Hey, hi, live. How you doing? Oh, cute. Look, just as sexy without the glasses. I mean, I need them to see. There's a close in relation to the open. Did it respect the stats? Yes and no. Okay, Rip, this is where I get confused, right? Hear me out. So, it closed below. So theoretically, should it then not be a bit more of a bearish day, right? Sorry guys, I'm having a bit of a... I'm having a conversation with Lucky Duck. He's teaching me some things here, which is awesome. Right? So, opening price... proper close below, correct? Branded lines handle, I love that. David, 5-minute timeout. Scrooge Mac trades, how's my trading been going? Break even. Yeah, break even. Handle, I'm on the 1 minute. Just a heads up for anyone joining. Unfortunately, no trades today, seeming as futures is closed. Bit of a bummer. The closing price is below the low formed. The 70% chance. Okay. Mud crab. Yeah, there we go. The closing price below. 4 has 70% chance to be taken. The low then has 70% chance to be taken, right? Am I long on Google? No. Nolan, if I trade, I use ICT concepts. I don't exclusively use ICT well, actually I use more ICT confluences, if you will. Okay, so close below, so theoretically we're looking more at a bearish day. Then did it not do the opposite of what you wanted? Do I like Orb? I've heard about Orb. I've backtested Orb a little bit. It's been okay. Maybe I just didn't get a proper grasp on it. I'm not sure, but it wasn't like amazing for me. Peace Ninja, what are my thoughts on price action? I mean, price action is very important if that's what you are asking. Okay, rip, that hurt my brain a little bit. I have to sit and read that again. Below low, high probability. Above high has a high probability. Okay. Okay. Got it. So yes, theoretically it should have had a higher probability. I think this is even a rip line. Huh. I think this is indeed a rip line. So it just didn't go with it on this day. So that did not work out. It went against. Went against the stats. I mean, it's not a great day in general, but we had joined in earlier. Oof. So that's the one thing I need to have a look. And it's the one thing I realized when it comes to the ranges, if it doesn't take out the 50%, you keep following because it's a very high chance it's going to come back eventually to hit that 50% range. Hey, sweet chin music. Markets aren't open. What am I doing? I'm then just doing some back testing and chin-chilling and chatting with you guys. The markets are halted, right, for futures? Yeah, so also, yeah, so unfortunately no trading for me. I'm just back testing, but not to be rude, but how old am I? Pause, wait. How old am I? Sorry, how old do you think I look? What do you mean by 3 to 4? Are you saying in that hour? Are you saying we have to give it that hour from 3 to 4, Rip? Is that it? So then 4. But 4 was also below. Sorry, I'm Lucky Duck is teaching me some things, and I'm trying to understand them. I'm making sure I understand it properly so I don't get yelled at again. Rip loves yelling at me on stream, guys. It's a little bit... No, I'm joking. I'm just kidding. Rip never yells. Rip goes quiet, and then I know he's not mad, he's disappointed, which feels worse. Stay Focused Trading Academy? No, I'm trading the Nasdaq. Well, can't trade the Nasdaq futures today, but this is the Nasdaq futures chart. I'm looking at price action. Oh, Peace Ninja, that's interesting. And it makes more sense to you? Fair enough, yep. Okay. 4 is the closing price. Okay, cool. So on this day, it's below 70%. So 4 is below 70% to take the low from 4 to 5. So on this day, it just did not do what you expected it to do. It went against. The math. Oh, sorry. 30 and flirty. 27 to 32. Damn, nearly on the money. I'm literally turning 27 on Tuesday, guys. Don't know how I feel about that, but yeah. I'm turning 27 on Tuesday. Again, I know 27's not bad, but still. Just still. Is DAX open? I don't know if I can trade DAX. Ooh, let me have a look if I can trade DAX. John, I'm not trading this. I'm backtesting a bit. I do not teach to trade now. So closely mark the 3 to 4 range from high to low. Okay. Maybe this is what I had earlier, but maybe not. 3, 2, 4, 4. Oh, damn. Okay, I see. I see. Okay, cool. So, Rip, do you only start trading an hour after opening? Is that yes, no, maybe? Hello, Scorpio. I'm not a Scorpio. I'm a... What's it? Sagittarius. Makes no difference in my life, but Sagittarius. Then look up after 4. Okay, I see. So, opening 3 to 4. Here is the low. Low was taken, and then it went back up. I hit it on the head. I turned 35 last Saturday. Nice, mud crab. And how is it? What age did I start trading? What age to become profitable? Nolan, I've only been trading since April. Prince, you say DAX is sell? I don't even know if I can. I'll double check now. Sorry, I'm learning from Rip. I'm all down for this. Sorry, you guys get to see me look a little bit confuddled with life, but I'm always keen to learn. And seeming as we have a day where I can, why not? Let's seize the opportunity, right? Oh, sorry, Nolan, I got distracted. So I literally only started trading this year, April. And I'm not profitable yet. If anyone's hopping on here hoping to, I don't know, thinking I'm gonna say you're gonna be a millionaire, if you follow. No. This is just a very open, honest journey about trading and learning. And the ups and downs, believe me, the ups and downs are real. I just turned 40. I'm middle-aged. You're not middle-aged. I don't think 40 is middle-aged anymore. Okay, Rip depends on the day. I guess that's valid, right? You have to wait for your setup. Got some golds. So you start trading at open, Mudcrab, but is that for London and New York, or just London, or just New York, or bit of both? DAX does look like a sell. Ooh. Can I go on DAX? I don't know if I'm allowed to go on DAX. Nope. Damn it. I can't. I tried. Hey David, what's up? Honorary score. Spread went to edge $60 profit. Then have drinks with my cousin a few ounces for free. Spread the wealth? That sounds amazing. What the heck, man? Yes, good job. So when I was 5 was kind of 28%. Okay, you lost me on that one. You lost me on that one, Rip. I'm understanding this 3 to 4 part, and if it closes below, it's most likely going to take out the low. Does it normally take out the low and then have a reversal back? Or is there no guarantee that it's going to take out the low and then proceed to the sell side, or vice versa? Oh, thanks, my crab. You guys are so sweet. Oh, nice, Peace Ninja. What course are you taking? It's fun. I started trading a couple of years ago. Nice, Richard. And I'm assuming it's going well. Assuming being the keyword here. I'm not sure, though. Hey, Steven. What's up? You here to keep David company? Take the first presented fair value gap after 130 and see how it was used. So I haven't checked the first presented fair value gap on the London. I've been using the first presented fair value gap very much so on the New York session. That is something I also want to go and have a look at. But that first presented fair value gap is insane. I mean, yeah. I guess it's like anything. Some days it works scary well, and then other days it just completely, you know, it's just there. Yeah, December 2nd, David. But starting the day is never bad to watch, as you can see what's going on before you jump in. Yeah, true. True. Try German 40, I don't think. Yeah, CME is down, Lester. Oh, thanks, Stephen. Do I do gold, silver, etc.? Cool, I try gold. I have, yeah. Tyson, wait, sorry. Tyson, explain that. First presented gaps is like a double-edged sword. Why do you say that? Or, yeah, why do you say that? Interesting. Thanks, David. I never thought about that, but I guess. It works for London too. Okay, well, let's have a quick look here. So I'm sticking to this day quick sticks. I mean, here is the first presented. Oh, there's so much. Sorry. There's so much, but I see what Rip's levels here did, so I'm gonna now double check the first presented fair value gap on the London session. Is it as good as the New York session? Yeah, I mean, there it's... See, it kind of went up, rejected, or kind of went up, but didn't hold. It does stay pretty drawn to it, and then it just completely mitigated it. Okay, let me go to another random day. I'm checking out... Wait, before I go to another random day, let's go to this New York Open. Let's check out the first presented here. Okay, 9:30. Here's first presented. Oh! This first present... Nope, that's not a first presented. I lied. I'm talking rubbish. It just looked like it. I did mark the first presented. It's here. First presented, literally body can't close below, and it just took off. It just took off. I think this was, you can see I missed the setup. You can see I had this setup here. I remember this because this made me super upset. I remember this day. I was not a silly, well, I guess a silly goose for not taking the trade, but I was indeed a grumpy goose. Indeed. Okay. I'm gonna block that off. Let's go to another day. I know obviously this isn't ideal because I can kind of see ahead of time, but because I'm trying to understand the stats of rips, right? And I'm wanting to check out the first presented fair value gaps. I would say liquidity line, but Geordie's gonna just own me. And do you see I called it a liquidity line, not a different line. Like I said, Geordie would disown me. Okay, I'm gonna let's. Okay, you use them based on bias. Interesting, Tyson. AMD is more consistent. Who here likes using AMD? Out of curiosity. I'm missing. Ooh, I'm so sorry. I see I've missed a lot of messages. If I do not respond, yeah. If I don't respond, I apologize. Wait, is market is back? No, I'm just back testing, David. Sorry. Yeah, futures has been closed. CME is having a cool off, so can't trade today. So I'm just back testing. Time to sell is only if you're long and taking profits. Alright, it's been trying to short some 24. Is this GTA 6? Clearly, Captain Blackbird. Clearly. Mud crap. Headed all the way back around. Interesting, Richard. Okay. I guess, Steven, that's valid. AMD is how the market moves. It's always AMD, even in a... I guess that's fair. I mean... David? Oh, you got me there. That was a goodie. Okay, Rip. I don't know if Rip is still here. Rip might be giving up on me. Okay, let's go to opening. 3 a.m. Nope, wrong thing. Okay. 3 a.m. Mark this open here. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I feel like oh, I didn't. I was about to say, I thought I drew that like a chop. 2, 4. Rip! Rip, I need assistance. I don't understand. Is Rip still here? Rip's not here. Oh, there you are. Oh, well, you kind of... Okay. Rip is kind of here. Let's see. I'll wait for Rip. Go back and spread the world's last 3 or 4 messages. He's on point. Short frames are kind of difficult to navigate, but longs you can kind of tell what's a better chance of price change. Okay, spread the wealth. I'm on it. Thanks, Mudcrab. Let me go check. Spread the wealth. Spread the wealth. Blah, 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 blah. Let me find you. Again, guys, I apologize. Okay. Price loves to take out lows before reversing. So I'm just making sure there was nothing else. I think it started there. Yes, okay. Spread the wealth. Let me read this properly. Price loves to take out lows before reversing, so it can trap longs and short sellers. Yeah. If we look on a higher time frame, most reversals are just continuations. That makes sense. It's just a much larger... what, retest, I guess. That's interesting. Wait, let me... Oh, do you know what I can also do? Oh my gosh. My brain is malfunctioning. Give me a minute. I've just realized that there's so many things. Okay, give me a second. Spread the wealth. I'm gonna copy this one. Okay. Works button 2. I'm here for a bit of support. Okay. Might have retracement for now, focusing on the hyperprinting forms code. Okay. It's nothing fancy about you. Getting something on YouTube. I started to like this course. Special discount. Oh, I've missed so much. I'm so sorry. Wait, do I think Maya should come see me and Solly in Australia? And Mudcrab. Just come visit Australia. Australia looks like fun. That New York time I see on the bottom of the chart. Solly, it is. I did change it to New York time. Are you proud? I think everyone like has a sigh of relief at the fact that I've done that. Rip said barbecue. No, didn't he say be right back? Not barbecue? Okay. Damn, who knew backtesting would bring way more conversation? Aye, here we go. But okay. All of you are like, let's do this. But I guess, who's actually able to trade today out of curiosity? Oh, Mudcrab, I'm gonna show you the video today of my dog. Oh, what an... Where is he? He's such a little a-hole. That's not swearing. Nah, that's not swearing. Hey, Jonathan, what's up? I know it's a little far, but are there Mexican restaurants in South Africa? Kind of. There's one called Salsa where you can get like, no, they are. They are. You can get tacos and... I mean, is it great? I've never gone to Mexico, so I can't give you a comparison of if it's really good quality or not, but there is Mexican food here. Thanks, Paul. Hey, Ingo, what's up? Indicated. Johnson, well, all I have right now is, well, I'm drawing my own little Fair Value Gap boxes. I have my GAN box that I use for retracements and things like that. And I just have VWAP up, so nothing special. Yeah, I don't have lots of indicators up. I tried the tacos from Ligma. Should I? Never mind. From last night, can't place any limit orders. Oh no, presidential mills, that sucks. That sucks. That's not okay. What the heck, man? That is not okay. There was a TV series back in the 90s that took place in Australia. Ocean Girl was the name. Hey Augustine, how's it going? I trade ICT concepts. Johnson, I use some ICT confluences. Yeah, as I said it, I realized. Newton, do we have news today? Well, futures are closed today, so I guess you could call this back testing, if you will. Give me a minute. I'm gonna be bugging. Rip's gonna hate me. But it's fine. Rip, I hope you're ready to be spammed. But I love learning new things, so here we go. Never mind. As I did this, I realized what I had done to 4. Let me see. I'm gonna get confirmations. I'm getting confirmations. Again, Rip, I apologize in advance. This is, you're gonna get spammed. It's what happens when you start teaching me things, and I'm like, I need to know this. So I will bug you until I understand. So. Higher above 4 a.m. Sorry. You guys get to watch me do this. So apparently, you know, let's I don't want to make a debate now, but apparently if I take my glasses off, I look like who? Daphne? Daphne from ow! I keep doing that. I keep ripping my hair out every single time, you stupid glasses. From Scooby-Doo. I don't know. Is that a thing? Oh, I'm officially blind. Maybe I'm just a cross between Velma and Daphne. I need the glasses, apparently. Here I was thinking I didn't. I just need red hair. Careful. Do you know how I always... But I feel like it's a bad idea. I've always wanted to dye my hair red, but I feel like it's a really bad idea. I don't think it would suit me that well. It's either red or blonde, like blonde. Blonde. Again, I don't think that would suit me that well. Okay, sorry. Done, done, done. Got it, got it, got it. But what I did want to also check was the first presented fair value gap. Now that I've got those 2 levels done and done. Okay. Oh, I've missed a lot. I'm so sorry. Hi guys. Is Rip a professional trader that you ask him questions? Rip has just been on the money. Literally, he throws out levels, and you should see what he puts in Discord. I sit there and I go, what the heck? So, yeah. It's always amazing to learn from people, especially if they have some different trading ways, if you will. Yeah. What was my largest loss on a single trade? Only around, let's say, maybe $250, maybe $300 on a single trade. I don't risk, and I think that's because I put the incorrect amount of contracts in. I only risk $200 per trade. It's because of the pink hairband. Oh, nice. With AI, use it and see. Do you know what the problem is? I will probably like it. Yeah. Oh my crap, you're so sweet. Thank you. I don't know if red would work, but I think you can pull blonde off. Oh, interesting, mate. Interesting. I keep trying to spend more time in the sun because I do have. So I don't know if you can kind of see it. Not really. I do have some natural blonde highlights, but obviously the more time I spend in the sun, the more they pop, if you will. Sally, are you okay? Anyways, moving on. I risk $10 max for a trade. Oh, damn. Okay. What's the best way to start consistency of you learning? Cool, sorry, I think chat might be a bit delayed. Oh, Peace Ninja, yes, yeah, sorry, it is a chat that it isn't, but it's fine. Straight to tail, yep. Nah, don't even try it, your hair is perfect for you. Oh, thanks, ellipses. Hey, Oliver, what's up? Rose the red. Wow, David, that was terrible. That was... For anyone that maybe missed that, David goes, roses are red, violets are blue. If you teach me trading, can I teach you dating? Terrible. I think you need to try that one again. That was not okay. Take the high left from 12 to 12:30, then Solly, are they all just... Oh my goodness. They're all out with vengeance today. What the heck is going on? Stocks, yes. What? Okay, I'm back. Reply to me. I said thank you, thank you, thank you. That was taken. Okay, so Rip, does it tend to always happen around 4 AM? And then it always wants to take the low? I think that's the thing I'm trying to understand. When does it want, I guess, not take the high? Never mind. Never mind. Okay. I think I'm starting to understand it. I'm gonna go find another day. Wait. Before I go find another day, let's have a quick look at the first presented. Okay, here's the first presented. That did... meh. It kind of sat on it a little bit, didn't it? If you think about, I'm calling it a liquidity line. It's just way to put it. It's doing this there. I'm not convinced on that one. I'm gonna have a look at that, but there's first presented. Okay, let's have a look at another day. Sorry, I do it and then I get distracted and then I respond and then I carry on and then I get distracted and I respond and I carry on. It's all part of the fun. At least I'm not alone. Okay, let's go to this day. Oh, this is not a nice day, but can't just backtest the good days, right? Gotta backtest all of them. So 3 AM is here. What do you want? JC, what broker am I using? I am using Top One Futures. There we go. Yeah, so JC, I'm using Top One Futures currently. Sorry guys, multitasking be hard sometimes. Sugar honey iced tea. So much rubbish on here. Okay. I'm gonna delete everything because clearly these are now invalid and they make no difference. Do I need this? No. No, I do not. Okay. Let's get rid of some of the noise, right? Yes. Too noisy, too annoying. Solly, yes, what's up? I'm back testing. Yes, Solly, I am talking about first presented fair value gap for London. People say it tends to work as well, but I know New York first presented fair value gap works a little bit better, right? I forgot to freaking backtest that one on the New York. Sorry. I'll check it on this one with the New York first presented. So far the London first presented doesn't seem to me. Let's see. I mean, I haven't really looked at enough to say accurately if it does or does not, but yeah. I use first presented after 1:30 a.m. 1:30 a.m. to 2 a.m. in London opening range according to ICT. Really, Solly? Why? Do I trade oil? I do not trade oil, sorry. Is it possible to trade more passively? Of course, yeah. Well, definitely. I mean, like I said, there's swing trading where you can have a trade set up for, what, days or weeks? I want to maybe say months. I haven't really done that, so... Swing traders, have you guys been in trade for months before? And I mean, obviously there's also investing. May the course be with you. I love that. Mudcrab, that was amazing. I nearly did something so bad I would have offended so many people. I nearly did this and I was like, no, that's not Star Wars. Wow. Now, why did you delete that? I could maybe get some good money off of that. How much do you want to buy? How much do you want to buy it for? That is the weirdest question I've ever had in my life. Oh my goodness. I know, I would have been taken back. In the time range, 4 to 5 should have an attempt for the high probability. Okay. Back to focusing, else I'm gonna get yelled at again. 3 to 4. Closed above and then came for the low. Just taken out there, cool. Rip, am I starting to get this or not even close? Above. Then came down at around the 5. Okay. Sometimes I think, we could have found out how to clone people, honestly. No, that was wrong. Oh my goodness, you two. I think both of you need like a timeout. Anyways, hold shift when you're pulling a line. Yeah, alright. Rip taught me that yesterday and I was like, what? And then I was like, oh, look at that. So that's what the correction was there. I went shift and I was like, ah, boom, magic. Magical, I love it. Okay. 1, 2, okay, so I'm One step at a time. One step at a time. Sorry guys, like I said, I'm multitasking. I don't know how, but I'm doing it. Okay, let's look at the first presented here. Let's check first presented now. 9:30, 9:30, 9:30, 9:30 was here. Okay, so that one does not go. Oh, it is the one that I just deleted like a chop. Cool, moving on. Here's first presented, fair value gap. I mean, okay, let's see if this comes back. Oh, so much noise. What? No, don't be a chop, please. Mother fluffer. Here we go. Whee! Whee! Here we're going. Whee! I'm gonna annoy people with this, sorry. I already know someone's going to get irritated with me. I mean, not really. Is there a specific time when the first presented just becomes invalid? Or not really? It's 2025, David. Oh my, okay. Should note high and low. 3 to 4 range. At 4, you look at the price above or below the open. If above, high has high probability. If below, low has high probability. Okay, but then rip. With this example here. Okay, no, here it closed below, so it was a high probability of taking out the low, correct? No. I'm gonna read this slowly. What about if at 4 it's in the range? What does that then tell you? If it closes back in the range, what does it then say? I'm already annoyed. Oh goodness. Wouldn't extend that further. Like, I've just so no time for it. I guess, spread the world. Oh damn! Thanks, you guys are gonna teach me how to be a tech person. I love it. Daphne running shot. Look for at least a 30-minute plus for value gap, in my opinion. Oh, so spread the wealth. I'm literally mostly focusing on the first presented fair value gap. It's created to sweep liquidity. It has a 90% chance of being used as an inversion. Thank you. Interesting. Okay, okay, okay. Hey, look, I'm on the 1 minute. Is gold dead? Oh, I'm sorry. 10%. If at 3 and 4. Okay. Happens really, but you didn't note them as I showed you. Simple edge based on those conditions. Okay, wait, let me see. Closing price at 3. Opening price at 3, closing. Got it. I see what I've done. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Buddy, are you okay? Oh. Shoo. Oh, these bugs are annoying. Okay, so. Let's go. Opening price at 3. Like so. Better. I've missed something. Mike? Oh, sorry. Hey, Mike, what's up? Hammer, go a little bit more left. I want to see why it went up a bit more. There we go. Hope that helps. How do you trade Nasdaq minus? Oh, I'm not. I'm just backtesting. Sorry, guys. For anyone who's hopping on, I'm just backtesting and having a good old jolly time. Chatting with you guys, doing a little bit of backtesting, understanding something. I think I'm frustrating Rip to no end. It's really hard when you're trying to read messages in between things, but we're getting there. So yeah, Mike, no trading for anyone. Well, I say anyone, but definitely not future traders. Futures traders. Never understood why single effect gap isn't more popular. Interesting. Backtesting sucks, right? But imagine applying it without understanding. Yeah. But that's exactly... I'm trying to understand, Rip, so that I can apply it and understand and go, okay, this makes sense. So now I still feel a little bit confused, but we're getting there. So, Rip, is this a little bit better how I've drawn it now? So 3 AM open at closing time. This is the 3 closing. Yes? Yes. Oh, I've missed so much. I'm so sorry, guys, for not answering. I'm actually focusing, believe it or not. What's the name of my strategy? I don't know. Hope and pray. No. Are we now just actually going to start calling this a hope and pray strategy? I will be so upset because that's not it. There is stuff that goes into it, honestly. Or we just call it like TMT or something. That it sounds better. David, what did you do? What did you do? Don't mind us, you do you. Thanks, Mike. I'm trying. The strategy is to learn right now, so Maya becomes a market player. Yes, that I'm no longer a little fish. I want to at least be a little bit of a bigger fish in a little pond. Yes, David, I'm calling it a pond. I know it was not a pond, but there was little fish in it. So it was a pond, okay. And then maybe, no, I don't ever think I'll be big enough to go swim in the actual ocean, but it's fine. I like pray and hope, to be honest. Really? The path. Myers mystery continuation. Definitely a rock pool. There we go. Aww. David, you're hilarious. I'm a guppy in a tank, Mike. You guys are brilliant. Sorry. Boom. Boom, chakalaka. Moving on. Maybe one else. David, you know what? I'll get there to qualify for a fish. I don't even know what little fish I am. Maybe I'm just... I don't know. Oh, I nearly said something bad and I knew that would blow up in my face. I'm not gonna say that, but... I'm just an itty bitty little fishy. I'm like this big. Trying to figure things out. Swimming around in a little rock pool. Okay, damn. I was gonna say something. Oh, yes. Shout out to David. Thank you for the donos. You are hilarious. I really hope you know that. Mad love for you. You are such a chop. And I say that with love. It's too specific to... Wait, spread the bot? That's interesting. Buttons that say price has to move a specific way is being it. Yep. Bull flags, bay flags. So the bull flags, bay flags theoretically trend line then as well. So we're having this debate. Debate. Let's say debate. So let's zoom out slightly. Let's maybe go to a higher time frame. It worked nicely on the 15-minute. Oh my. There we go. Was it the 15 minutes? Did I use the 5 minute? I'm trying to remember which time frame I used. And I even said I'm not so much using a trend line, more as when it breaks that line, there's a very high possibility it's going to either obviously rip up or dump down. Let's try see. Was it the 15-minute? I feel like it was not the 15-minute because this is not right. Maybe it was the 5-minute. Can't look at that day. Terrible. So you can see I drew it there. Sorry, Geordie is gonna hate this. Don't tell Geordie. No one tell Geordie. Geordie's not here, so it's fine. No one tell Geordie I did that. I'm letting curiosity get the best of me. Yeah, potentially. Too much rubbish going on the charts. It's actually hurting my eyes a little bit. That's fine. And I have to go back and find where I was. I don't have to find exactly where I was. Let's go find it another day. Let me make sure I'm understanding things correctly. I don't think you guys have ever seen me so locked in, because normally I'm just like, oh, we're gonna just continue as we go. I'll get there to qualify for fish, yep. Cheers, Mike. Enjoy work. What just happened? That just happened. Oh my goodness, David. Two rules to make it profitable. One, only buy above highs. Two, only take sells below the low. That doesn't sound right. Isn't that just breakout strategy? Have you guys tried fried turkey? Is that a thing? Hey, Goofy, what's up? What tattoo do you have on your arm? You have that thing in the world. What? I got a snail. Don't know if you can see the snail. Yeah. Yeah, okay, thank you, Spread the Wealth. I'm glad it wasn't just me. I read that and I was like, with that, what? No? Huh? No? Believe me, I've tried that. It does not work. Disaster. I've given it a go before. Okay. Why does this look like where I was? It is. I have already tasted this day. I'm gonna go further back then. How did I manage to pick the same freaking day? Okay. Let's go. Back more, back more, back more. What the heck, guys? It's already like 11:30. What? Where did the time go? Breakout trading is crazy. You get manipulated so often. The best thing to see before the breakout. It's gonna break. Yeah, Angel Eyes, right? That's what I thought. Be it tomorrow breakout trading is literally being liquidity. So I know some people do where it takes the highs and then they, okay, I'm just using highs as an example, but let's say it takes the buy side liquidity, then they sell because there's going to be a little bit of a drop. But then my question is, how do you know how far down it's going to go? Or do you just always take like 10 points and you stick with, once it goes up it's 10 points, and you know sometimes it's just going to continue up and then it's a loss, but quite often it has a little bit of a dip and then continues back up? Is that a valid strategy? I guess everything's a valid strategy. Let's rephrase that. Is that a profitable strategy? Wait, what's happened? I've missed a lot. His time price will absolutely smash through highs. Yep, all. That's great. I've been trading for 11 years. Trade the first indication. Lows, but trading breakouts is rough. Wait. His time price will absolutely smash through highs. Lows. Yeah, we'll try it. Right? Not wrong, but it's just one style, not the correct style. Look at the highs of the previous candle, but risk small, lose wide winning. How far can it go? Hold on. Higher time frame, interesting. Use for previous taking breakout trades. Yeah, let's just do 2 out there. I guess that makes sense. And trade breakouts, right? But in my opinion, it's going against the grain because that's when the sheep come out. Interesting. Hey, wait, are you here for the tea? Got your popcorn ready? Especially just evaluating. You change the frame to 50 minutes or higher, check the other frames, and you can see what would be an entry point much easier. Okay. Again, though, what happened to the time? I'm very aware that I have missed a lot of messages today. I feel like I'm also missing a bunch of tea that's going on. I kind of want to see what happens next, but it's fine. We're going to continue doing this because I'm wanting to understand this thoroughly. Oh, this is a shocking day. But gotta test all the days to see, right? Okay. So 3 open. That's the wrong thing completely. You Nana. Nope. Okay. And now 4. I don't think you guys have ever seen me so locked in. Stop being a chop, thank you. Let me see what Rip said, sorry. Hey, wow, what's up? Welcome. Dave is getting mad that I won't come visit Australia. I don't care for me. There's so much tea going on in this chat right now that I'm not a part of at all. But I guess, you know what? If you guys are having fun, I guess you do you. Buy buttons. Breakout. I buy order where everyone else places their stock. Angel Eyes, that makes sense. What am I doing? I mean, that's fine. Determine continuation, reversal, continuation. Not in the market. All about your perspective. You know what? World's longest fade. Cool name, by the way. That's valid. But I heard about... You can scalp NQ twice per New York session. My gamer account. You think only twice? It could be more, right? Oh, I might be backtesting a strategy. I'm not so much backtesting a strategy as I'm understanding. So, Rip, amazing viewer, has been teaching me about these levels and then the percentages and the probabilities of if it is above or below. So it's more about understanding the probability of the direction of a market based off of where it's closed. I hope that made sense. So that's what I'm understanding so that I can backtest it correctly. But obviously you got to understand it so that you can backtest it correctly. Else you're just drawing lines and assuming. The strategy is pray and hope. Okay. I don't know how I feel about that. Calling it strategy is too much. It's just some training wheels, basically. Yeah. I'm so sorry. I know I've missed a bunch. So again, I'm gonna apologize, Rip. That's a difficult strategy. How is it a difficult strategy? I'm confused. Is it a difficult strategy? Rip, are you teaching me difficult things? My goodness. Check out the other files, see what you think to start. Okay, so you think the 15-minute, right? Please, nah. Where's it at? Come back. Where's my chocolate? Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Now if I say reset, it's gonna take me back. Oh, there we go. I found it. No one panic. I'm glad we all stayed cool, calm, and collected. Oh my greatness, no, we did not stay cool, calm, and collected. Mother fluffer. Okay, did you guys see my giraffe? Hey, there's another giraffe. Just a backwards giraffe. Okay, let's go 15 minutes on the New York. So you say for entries, right? I prefer that this might sound bad and I might get a little bit of hate for this. I prefer using 5 minutes. I sometimes think the range with the 15 minutes feels too long. I mean, how big are your scalps, Mudcrab? Hey Orlando, what's up? I don't understand. I can blame it all on you. Just to see to start, yep. Hey, good morning, Nandozi. No, I'm not profitable yet. I like to watch videos of old Wall Street guys. They share some valuable insights about what move markets. As I usually get. That's interesting. Angel Eyes. That's very interesting. What interviews of old Wall Street guys, but has the market not evolved since then? Angel Eyes? Out of curiosity, you know, has the market not evolved since when they were on Wall Street doing their thing? Oh, missed a lot. I use 5, 10, and 15, yeah. Personally, yep, well, I guess if you have to 18. Does anyone use 30 seconds anymore? Tony, I don't know about 30 seconds, but I know LP, I don't think he's here. LP uses 5 seconds sometimes, which is insane. I don't know if I'll be able to do that. That's hectic. I also use 5, 10, 15 mostly. Entries are easier to find as you can see your latest fair value gaps before entering. True. And then don't... Does the market respect... Maybe this is a dumb question. Does the market tend to respect the higher time frame? I'm just going to use fair value gaps. Does it respect the higher time frame fair value gaps more than the lower ones? If that makes sense. So obviously if they're in line, then it's a goodie. Hey John, what's up? David, I will go check now. Top down. Oh my goodness, there's so much going on. I trade off of the 15 seconds for entry sometimes. Solly, you a mad lad. I mean, traders still doing it after 20 years. Well, true. And I guess you have to always engage. Well, engage. Wrong thing. Evolve. Kwame, can we look at something real quick? What do you want to look at, Kwame? I found 30-minute plus for belly gaps almost always get some reaction, but you want 5, 10, or 15-minute to confirm it. Okay, so look for a 30-minute one, then go down to a lower time frame and see if they correlate. Yes, and then it's a really good fair value gap. Hey, God saves us. Did I take any trade? Futures market is closed today, unfortunately, so I've just been kind of backtesting being the keyword here. You guys are very distracting. Well, I say that, but I have been focusing a little bit and missed a bunch of messages, but again, apologize. That one. I saw something about trend lines. I saw something about trend lines and I was waiting to see, but Jordy's not here to have a go at them. Yeah, futures is down. Is it Capsa? Trade in indices? What's happening? Oh, I've missed so much. Oh, I've missed too much. Do I want to know? I don't think I want to know. Hey, poor and hungry. How's it going? Firstly, how long have I been trading for? I've only been trading since April. Sorry. Oh, thanks, Solly. Thanks, Solly. Oh, trade indices. Mm-hmm. Oh, goodness gracious me. Okay. See, we are just causing drama. But yes, KPSA, everything is still closed. Futures are still down because CME is cooling off, apparently. Whatever that means. But check my last message and also spreads. Okay, Mad, well, I mean, your last message is laughing face, Mad. Oh, no, I'm joking. I'm just teasing you. Let me go find your last message. And then use whoop, and then spread. Wait. See spread. Look at a higher time frame bias and then use lower time frame to confirm it. Yeah. And then those tend to work the best, correct? And then micro. It respects it the same. It's just that you can see what if we're doing better. I'll just see if it's true and find entry points. That makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. So trade indices, can I tell you something funny? That, you know what, everyone can judge me for this. Hey Sean, what's up? There you go, use 20 EMA, GMA, and 200 EMA. You're welcome. Thanks, Sean. I don't even know, do I do think Project X has EMA. It should have EMA. I know it can be a little bit touchy sometimes about some things. Trade indices, do you want to hear something embarrassing? All of you guys are going to judge me for this. I used to say, or I used to think it was indices. So when I read your name, it took me a moment because I was like, trade indices, and I was like, that's not right. Trade indices. Awesome. Mud crab, that's how I or we make profit. That makes sense. Mud crab, did you do this? I don't know if I've asked you this. I apologize if I have, and I just have not been focusing. Do you do trading? Is trading like for a living? Fishdeal, what are we mad about? I want to be mad too. I don't know, but there's a lot going on right now. Oh. Damn. Trade indices. Okay. Yeah, wait, the market's open? No, market's not open, sorry. Indices, yes. Indices judge. Oh, sorry. Trade with indices. I've been trading for 2 years on the chart in front of you. Price moved sideways. Yep, volume spiked, liquidity was swept, and price rallied. That sideways makers accumulation. Yep. Alright, I do know the, you know, all of that. Market structures, accumulation, distribution, all of it. I'm not insane personally, but I've made like 5K the past 2 months and just now trying to start scalping now. Getting tons of confidence. Oh, spread the wealth. That's wealth. Wealth, that is amazing. Trading is changing life, you learn how to understand it. Yes. Okay, so son, this is what you do for a living, which is amazing. Spread the wealth. It sounds like you are starting to. Wait, trade indices. Real question. Are you making, do you do this for a living? I trade as a hobby, but I suppose it has made me a good living. What? That is so cool, Mudcrab. What the heck? That is amazing. What the heck? And trade indices, how long have you been trading for? Mudcrab, that is so cool. You're on the Discord, right? Yes, yes. I hope you're on the Discord. But you're on the Discord. Please send some like photos and stuff. That sounds so cool. My favorite thing to do is buy high, sell low. Fish DR? Okay. I want to make this a job within the next 5 years, but I'm going to treat it as a side hustle until it's not. Oh, spread the wealth. You know what? That's a very good idea. Mom, you trade for a living? Oh, damn. 6 years. 6 years, wow. And out of curiosity, I mean, you guys don't have to answer this. I know it's probably a little bit more personal, but out of curiosity, how long did it take you guys to become profitable? Again, you don't have to answer that. I know that's a stupid thing. Give me 2 seconds. I know my dog's gonna start causing rubbish. I need to close the door. 2 seconds, I'll be right back. Okay. Spread the wealth. You only need to. Whoopsie, I missed that. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh, I've missed a lot. Earning as trading is more than my job before. Hello. What is the matter? What is the matter? Are you upset with me? I'm sorry. Emus. Okay. Quite a long time before I started trading, I suppose. Had a little push to start. Enter. Big loss. I was always learning how markets reacted. I mean, Mudcrab, that is exactly it. There's no such thing as a loss. Only a lesson, right? That's what I always have to keep telling myself. Okay. Here we go. Let's go further back. Let's go further back. Let me see now. Back a day. Not there. Not there. Find the chart. There it is. Not a day when it just sprinted off. Wow, there's actually been quite a few days where it's just sprinted off, but anyways. Let's go a little bit further now. Here. Let's pick this day. Random day, let's go 3 AM open. For New York. New York. Oh my goodness, London. Okay. Three AM London open. Rough. Now 4. AM close. Well. Closes the low, likely to take out the low. Okay, interesting. Now, low taken, more likely to keep continuing down. I'm talking to myself. Sorry. I'm sure you guys are used to that by now. To be fair, I do that quite often. This day. Oh, here's the the first presented fair value gap. Check how it tapped in 3 times, and I even said I could have gotten 2 6R trades out of this. I mean, probably more, but yeah. This first presented was respected so nicely. So let's maybe see. Do not take me to a weird and wonderful spot. Please stay here. Where are we? This is 7th of November. You little brat. I want you to stay there. Okay, let's go back to the 7th. Check the high time frame. Does the first presented work well with the higher time frames? I'm assuming not, but I know it's also bad to assume. So here. And then I must check on the 15-minute how it looks there. Oh, there's so much going on. Anyways, the better you South African? Yes, I am. Tobias, yeah, what's up? You learn from a win, you make a bad mental decision, a win, you feel rewarded, and may do it again. Spread the wealth, that is true. I've missed a lot again. Moving on. Mudcrab, it sounds like it. You and Spread seem to be in a little bit of sync over here. It's awesome. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. There's no else, it's just the cost of doing business. It's like paying the electricity bill, it's part of it. Right, Rip, I like to call it tuition. Maybe that sounds dumb, but hear me out, right? You go to varsity and you study and you learn and you pay to study and learn. You can almost think of losses as you paying tuition. Cheers, trade indices. Just kidding. I'm putting in the market has a better edge over you. Casino, but when you combine an edge, it's insanely profitable because it usually goes against the grain. And he likes to overshoot, so I'm trying to wait a 5 minutes to see if it's respecting first presented. Okay, that makes sense, David. Hey, Richie, man, what's up? How's it going? How's everybody doing? Bubba, when will markets resume? Good question. Hopefully New York session. Hopefully, being the key word there. I'm not too sure though. Did respect this. What is this? The 5 minute? I'm gonna check the 15 minute. I must just remember 7th. So frustrating that it keeps popping me back all the time, you pain in the butt. Any day now. Okay. Wakey wakey. Backward forward. If I really wanted to confuse you guys, I would actually just start speaking Afrikaans. You guys wouldn't know what hit you. Unless, of course, you are Dutch, then you might actually understand a little bit of what I'm saying. See, this just now looks chaotic. But I mean, they all line up, and the first presented is in between both of them, I guess you can say. Yeah. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. Let's go on a long walk back to the 7th. Come on, let's do this. Whee! The only problem doing this right now, honestly. Quam, I'm not profitable yet. Sorry. Richman, no trade this. Have you not had a trade this week? Is that what you're asking? Or is that what you're saying? Not asking. Well, I mean, I can't trade today. Futures are closed. So I'm doing an itty bitty bit of back testing. Kind of. You could kind of call this back testing if you will. It's not great back testing, but it's back testing. Microwave, do I take messages? I do, but I mean, if you guys want to, give me a second. For everyone that's kind of new here, I know this freaks a lot of people out, but it is what it is. Anyone that's new and wants to come join this amazing community, here we go. Done. Mudcrab, I low-key think social media has destroyed society. Mudcrab, elaborate, please. I don't have Discord. Unfortunately, I don't really do all the social media. Yep. I know Discord is a little different on social media, but yeah, I don't currently have one. Interesting. Mudcrab, so what do you just use YouTube? So, David, I'm not Dutch. Afrikaans is just really close to Dutch because, yeah, anyways, yeah. I don't keep thinking. surprised they haven't yet, but I guess they were warned. What? Aw, thanks, Minecraft. You're so sweet. You're amazing. Because it's just, it's really chilled. And it's just nice to have a fellow community of traders and David that want to join up and help each other out and learn from each other and show each other being profitable, and the losses, right? Losses, part of it. That's the thing, I don't use your strategy, but I like your attitude. Oh, thank you. Don't worry. Not a lot of people use my strategy. I'm probably one of the only ones, and I know it frustrates a lot of people with how I use my strategy, but it is what it is. Okay, so see from here that the first presented was above, so it probably that one. I've then done this. So I am very aware that this is extremely chaotic right now. I think this was an NWOG, but this is now invalid, so it does not matter. I want to start potentially figuring out the 4R strategy. That would be amazing. You know, up it a little bit. Instead of just 2Rs, now we're starting to head for 4R, which would be pretty cool. And specifically using the first presented for it, I don't know if that's a good or bad idea. Oh, and my bad, Steven. Yeah, but Steven's been quiet. I don't need to take pics of my breakfast and post that. You don't have to do that, don't worry. I have Snapchat, that's it. That's for only about YouTube and Discord. Nice, Steven. Steven, this might be a bit of a weird question. How old are you? I've never asked. And Mudcrab. Yep, Geordie would just be saying thank you, appreciate it. Yeah, but most of it is. Yeah. Where is this? Person then listed on BC. Aww. I must have a look at that, Spread the Wealth. That sounds hilarious. Hey! Malik? Well, I'm not trading anything today because the futures are closed, but I'm backtesting? Not very well, you guys are very distracting, but I'm backtesting. I don't know how Dark Angel does this. I know she backtests on the weekends and she goes live and does it. It's very distracting, I don't know how. Baron, do I have Discord? I do. It won't let me, won't let me send it though, which is a bit annoying. Oh, thanks, Mac. Let me try one last time. Nope, doing the wrong thing. Nope, still doing the wrong thing. Stop being a chop, please. Good grief. Okay. You passed your 1 million mark on November 12th, buying and selling. Damn! I'm just gonna call you Smelly because I'm not gonna say that whole thing. What instrument am I trading? I'm on the Nasdaq. Well, I'm backtesting the Nasdaq futures. The most amount of money I've made on a single trade, probably also around. Ooh, let's say around $600, but it's because I have... No, maybe that's a lie. No, was it a lie? I think I let one beer run. Let's say $600, which I know for some people is not a lot, but for some people it's a lot. Like me. 41, and it took 4 years of really grinding. Damn. So wait, Smelly, what time did... Well, when did you start? Or when did you start? What age did you start trading, and how long did it take you to become profitable? No, that was in a day, David. In a day. On one single trade, it was around 600. Blame Forex, when will NQ open again? Hopefully New York session. And I'm trading... Ben, I'm trading a prop firm. Oh, thanks, Mudcrab. Do I trade your R30? No, I don't, sorry. You're welcome, Baron. Spread the wealth crazy message. Which one? There's so many. How many different languages do I know? Only 2. I'm not good with languages, unfortunately, sorry. Sorry. It got me. That was hilarious. They're all over here. Another chat this point. If you want to trade, right? Hey Tom, what's up? Another Australian has joined the chat. What are we on, like 4 or 5? Hey Chop1, what's up? What language do I speak beside English? I can speak Afrikaans, not great though. Oh. First thing, I tried a 40 star when I was... That is so cool. What the heck? And this is all you do now, Smiley, right? I'm assuming this is all you do now. NQ looking bullish to you. Well, Angel Eyes, is it still closed? Oh my gosh, guys, look at the time. I can speak Chinese and Japanese. What? That's pretty cool. Ja, ik kan Afrikaans praten. Hoe komt? I'm not great at it. I am English, but obviously, you know, you learn Afrikaans in high school and stuff. But I'm not great at it. But I can understand it. I can speak it kind of. I do my best. In broken English, Stephen. You know what, Stephen? Have you met me? Maybe I should start adding gibberish to the list of things I can speak. Afrikaans sounds so harsh. It's so damn beautiful. Really, listen. For me, the and the and yeah, Kanye. I don't even do it correctly. It's supposed to be like harsher. And I really speak Afrikaans properly when I'm angry. Then it's a beautiful language. When you start to get angry, Afrikaans just flows off the tongue. It's awesome. Oh, Mudcrab. Yeah, sorry. Thanks, David. Yeah, I got two things going. I mean, technically I have 3 things going. Technically 4, 5. I got a lot going on. Oh, thanks, Eric. Yeah, with 100k back in 2023. Damn, Smiley, well done. That's amazing. How old am I? I'm turning 27. Afrikaans sounds terrible. No. I can't, because that's bad. Yeah, I won't do that to you, Benna. That's mean. Why would I do that to you? Tom? Shush. I can help you expand. Smelly? I'm all ears, or eyes, I guess. I can't hear you. Smelly, do you have Discord? Hey, memory. Why not take this? Am I charting? Give me a second. Okay. I'm gonna go. Yes, I need to go as well. I keep forgetting. Yeah, I mean, look at the time. I went completely overtime today. Sorry, guys, but let me call it. I'll be back for the New York Open. Hopefully we can trade today. Let's see. Let's see what happens. But thanks for sitting and listening. Want my email? Do you want to email me? Smelly. I'm just gonna call you Smelly because yes. But you can email me if you want. My email is in my description. Please pop me an email and then we can go from there. Okay. I love you guys madly. Let me call it. Else I know that I'm going to get completely distracted again. So no, shush. Okay. I love you guys madly. I need to go to the horses. Got to get things done. Have an amazing day. Let's hope the markets are open. Have a good day, evening, night, wherever you're at. Hope it's cool. Please don't forget to like the stream. And yeah, like I said, if you guys do use prop firms and you want to show a little bit more love and support, which would be much appreciated, my affiliate code is TeachMaya, and all of the props in my description below are good for a discount if you use my affiliate code. Okay, that's it. That's my spiel. Have an amazing day, guys. Hopefully see you later. Hopefully we can trade. Let's see. But I love you guys madly. Bye.